Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
And I'm Maureen Akers. Welcome. Welcome, Gary.
Good morning.
Yes,
good to be here.
Good to have you here. All right. Today's question. Gary, can I still recover damages if I am partially at fault for my injury?
You know, and this can apply to a lot of people, this question. So it comes up a lot, even in property damage. So let's say somebody backs into your car while you're in the store.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you're not at fault there, obviously, but it can come up anytime there's two moving vehicles, so to speak, or it falls. Anytime there's more than one person involved, an insurance company will generally say, you have some fault.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so I've heard it countless times where some adjuster makes a decision in their cubicle somewhere to say that you're 15% at fault or 30% at fault. I promise you it happens.
Yeah.
People argue this, and they're like, wait a minute, I just want to get my car fixed. Why are you doing this to me? You know, it's that old thing about alligators are alligators, right? But so that's what, so it comes up a lot, and
Yeah.
And there's usually some argument to be made. I would contend that if getting up in the morning and getting in your car, that contributes at some level, right? Just being alive, you know, being in that position. But that's not a way we attribute fault. But anyway, it comes up a lot. There's always an argument being made.
Okay, so what's the answer then?
Well, the answer is it's different in different states. So in
okay.
Georgia, you cannot recover if you are more than 50% at fault. So if it's more your fault than the other guy, you're not going to recover. That's called comparative negligence. We'll compare the percentages. And these are not absolutes, by the way. These are fact issues. So a jury or a judge makes these decisions, not an insurance company, ultimately. And so that's one issue in Georgia. You can be 15% at fault in Georgia, you still recover. They might reduce your recovery by 15%, but you still recover. In Alabama, a whole different deal, and it's archaic, and it's not going anywhere. They're going to keep doing it, but it's a pure contrib. It's called pure contributory negligence. There, if you are 1% at fault, in theory, you don't recover.
Oh, wow.
So what is 1%? You know, that's
Getting up in the morning?
that's getting up in the morning and getting in your car and going to work, right?
Wow.
So it doesn't get applied that way. People have common sense, but that's the rule, and it is a difficult rule to have to deal with.
Yeah, it is.
So maybe the answer is, if you're at fault, maybe you recover.
There you go. Thank you, Gary. We'll see you on the next Legal Break.